Science.
Besides itu, ini main eksperimen. Which materials are waterproof? Can a rubber can do it? Is a rubber waterproof? Of course. Is metal waterproof? I don't know. Oil is actually made of metal, so that means it is waterproof. Can the car be a waterproof? Of course. Can a cardboard be a waterproof? Oh, find out, is it waterproof or not? You sure wanna find out if it is waterproof. Can it be waterproof? No, I don't think so. Card boxes always get soaked by water because there are boards, the cardboards that we had. Okay. Can the paper will be soaked? Well, I always tried if the paper cannot soak or not. Did you know at school I tried the paper to the water and I see that the paper is magically cannot get soaked. It's like a magic paper. Oh, can a tissue paper get soaked? Of course. Can plastic be waterproof? Of course. Can fabric be waterproof? No. They can't. Our softest fabric were actually not getting soaked because they're waterproof. Because they're actually made by needles and pins, and they were just as waterproof, as strong as the metal. Oh, can wood be waterproof? No. What about? Oh yes. Can the cotton will be waterproof? No. If cotton used for the water, it might get soaked really easily. As they are made of fabric, but they weren't. Cotton always cannot be waterproof because cotton always been very, very, very soaked when it's just too wet, super wet. Easy will be a wet cotton that's soaked all over, like a tissue that gets soaked a bit. Can a gold be a waterproof? Of course. It is waterproof. All types of metals were actually is waterproof. Not like paper, toilet paper. What about out. Tissue papers can't work. Or either newspapers can't work. Did you know a plastic bag can be a waterproof? Of course. Can a leather be waterproof? Yes. If you actually made a leather bucket, put the water inside, it will not be soaked. And what about? How about? This is going to be so hard. Is the candle will be waterproof? Well, I don't know if it's waterproof or not. And I don't think so. Candle's made of rubber, but I think it's made of leather, or either plastic, or rubber bands. I don't know what it is. But rubber is actually waterproof. We will find out if candle is waterproof or not. Just ask them for the fire. Ooh. How can what about? How about our hair is waterproof? Of course, our hair is waterproof. It do not soak. It can dry, it can get wet, and it cannot get soaked, and it cannot get off. Flour is waterproof. It is waterproof. A pet will be waterproof. Of course it is waterproof.